Do you struggle getting into Supta Virasana? Well, struggle no more, because in today's 1-minute yoga teacher training, I'm going to help you get into this pose in a way that's so comfortable you'll want to do it every day. For this variation of Supta Virasana, you're going to want a block and a bolster, maybe 2 blocks, it's up to you. First thing you're going to do is take your block and put it about upper midway in your mat, in the middle of the mat. Then take your bolster and place it on top of the block. We're gonna start out with 1 leg at a time instead of 2 like I'm doing here. Don't feel bad, because a lot of people can't do this posture because of bone structure, not because of muscle. Modifications are great for everybody. We all have different bodies. Love your body exactly the way that it is. First option is to just bend 1 leg and extend the other leg straight out. For some people, this will be perfect and you can sit on the ground. Or take a block and sit onto the block. Now we have 1 leg out, 1 leg bent. This is a fantastic quadricep stretch. In fact, there's no other yoga pose that gives you this kind of stretch. Then start to lean back onto the bolster. And now we're doing it. It's fantastic. Light up the follow button for more yoga teacher tips.